What if ancient legends were wellness trends? Welcome to 7 Days of Vampire Wellness, facials, diet, and fake blood included. Disclaimer first, none of this is medical advice. Always consult a pro before channeling your inner Dracula, or at least look like you've been up all night. Let's go. First up, the infamous vampire facial. It's a real dermatology treatment. It is officially called PRP, or platelet-rich plasma therapy. Studies show PRP can improve skin texture by 20 to 40% after a few sessions. Here's how it works. They draw a small vial of your blood, spin it in a centrifuge to separate the plasmat. That's the red stuff full of growth factors. Then they microneedle your face with tiny injections of your own plasma. Expect redness, swelling, and the occasional weird selfie. Supposed benefits: collagen boost, smoother skin, fewer wrinkles. But, fair warning, you'll look like a crime scene for 48 hours. Next, we switch the syringe for a smoothie. Welcome to the vampire diet. This trend tells you to load up on red foods, beets, berries, pomegranates, and dark red wine in moderation. Antioxidants from berries may fight inflammation, but nobody's proved they make you immortal. But does gulping beet juice actually give you more energy? Or just bright pee? Science says yes, beets can lower blood pressure if you drink half a liter daily. Verdict: a slight mood lift, maybe placebo. Note: if you feel dizzy or sluggish, switch back to the full spectrum menu. Fun factor? Off the charts. Cultural curiosity, absolutely. The pitch: you'll flood your body with antioxidants, iron, and nitrates for ancient vitality. I tried 2 days of red-only meals, but by day 4, my diet was so limited I nearly gnawed on a red pencil. Vampires love a good bloodbath, so naturally we're recreating it with synthetic blood. Here's how. Fill your bathtub with warm water. Add 2 cups of cosmetic-grade fake blood, non-staining, skin-safe. Optional. A drop of eucalyptus oil for that fresh crypt aroma. Historically, Romans soaked in sheep's blood believing it renewed youth. They were onto something. Amino acids in blood can be hydrating, but modern blood baths offer 0 clinical benefits. You'll feel pampered, sure, but you'll also spend an hour rinsing red water out of your hair. 7 days, 3 rituals. What did I learn? Vampire facial. Skin looked plumper, but I'd recommend starting with 1 session, not 7. Vampire diet. Beet smoothies are tasty, but your body needs balance. Fake bloodbath. Surprisingly calming until you slip in the tub. Overall glow up, and the biggest takeaway: wellness doesn't need to be boring. You can test the absurd safely while learning real science. If you're thirsty for more weird wellness, hit subscribe and tap the bell.